Ojingeochae. Are you recording?
Hi everybody.
Hi.
Ojingeochae
Muchim. Ojingeochae Muchim. Cooking with Kieran, episode 4.5. So we got a dried squid here, seasoned and shredded squid, a 1 pound bag. We're gonna be making Ojingeochae Muchim, and it is a delicious, spicy, and sweet. Okay, let's just go for it. Open the bag. Yeah.
Oh, it's just going right on the table.
My favorite. So we're gonna just break this up into bite-sized pieces. You're gonna thank me later when you do that, because then it won't stick together when it's sticky. Right now it's not sticky. You can use scissors, it makes it much faster.
Ew.
Oh, make sure to wash your hands. Try it. No, please try it. It's so good. Isn't that fantastic? I've never had it straight, it's so good. I give squid 10 out of 10. Don't be afraid of trying new things, everybody. This is delicious. Alright, so now we're just gonna set this aside. Gonna need a large bowl. Shouts out to Muchim. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Shout out to Muchim. Check her out on YouTube. She's fantastic. The mother of all Korean recipes. We gotta get our gochujang. Gochujang. Half cup. Oil. 1/3 cup olive oil. 1/3 cup corn syrup. The corn syrup's where all the sweetness comes from.
They couldn't have made it any other color.
2 tablespoons garlic. Why you gotta be so rude?
Baby, don't you know I'm human too?
2 tablespoons sesame seed oil. Gotta get all the deliciousness off the spoon. And then turn on your mixing bowl. Boop. That's what it should look like.
It was self-defense.
Man, what do you think?
Best squid I've had.
Shout out to Muchim for the amazing recipe. Absolutely delicious. Super simple. Takes 2 minutes. And it makes so much. 2 quarts. How much is that, everybody? 2 quarts. It's like a half a gallon or something. That's all, folks.